So we're at the airport. We've had a very massive ordeal of a morning. We were in the check-in line for like an hour, but we have to go to our gate now. Haven't been vlogging because it's like too early. So this is where we're staying. I don't know what's in there. I'm kind of scared to go in. But anyway, hello. This is the lounge. And I'm assuming this is the little kitchen. This is the view. It's really nice. We're staying in Waverton, by the way.
Hello!
Oh, that's Canal. You scared the crap out of me. Do they even have a TV? Dramatic unveiling.
Oh, it comes.
There's a tur, it's not even a TV, it's a tur. And this is Hazel and Canal's room, where they're gonna sleep like in bunks. Cute. And then here, that was my foot by the way, not my bum, is our bath that's like really short, like I can touch the roof. And then, are you for real? It's because I was in the room. This is Corpu and I's room. And again, the view. And we've got aircon. Ha! And then there's baby. Hey.
I'm gonna take a poop.
Okay, bye. Opinions on the shower?
I mean, it's a shop.
It's a shop.
It's a nice.
If like it wasn't inappropriate, I'd love to like vlog you in there to see like how much you have to crouch to fit in it. We got Uber Eats, we got grilled. There you go, team. Woo! Yum. We haven't eaten in like a million hours. So I just finished my burger and I had like half the fries and I'm like comfortably full. I put it into my fitness pal and it came out as like 881 calories, which actually is a lot better than I expected. Sorry, train. Yeah, it was a lot less than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be over 1,000, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, I wasn't eating it to be healthy, but I was just out of curiosity checked my fitness pal and it was all in there. But now I'm gonna have a little nap. As you can see, I'm on our bed.
Thanks, guys.
I'm so exhausted. We're having an hour nap and then we're gonna go and explore the city. I look feral because it's windy, but we made it to the tourist capital of Sydney and like, yeah, ready for our photos.
Like squinting my eyes, I'm like, man, if only I had some glasses or something.
There's so many people here, it's insane. The place that we're in is just one giant bar, look at it. Yeah, like it's never, I've noticed it before. It's on the lens. We made it to a little bar right on the harbour. We've got our drinks. There's Hazel and Kunal, and then Corpu's over here. We're just having a little drink in the sun. It's kind of like really hot, but it's still nice. We just ordered Uber Eats again. We were gonna go out for dinner tonight, but we're actually like so tired. By the way, my hair's really oily, I know. I think it was like sweaty from the sun. I also think I might be sunburned, so I need to check my back later. By the way, that noise was my hip clicking because I have like old lady hips. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. I picked this up because Chloe Morello always talks about it and I really trust her opinions because she seems really, really genuine. And it's the Lano Lips Really Train. This is where we ordered from and this is my curry. It's like huge. That's Canal's curry. And he's gonna steal all the rice. Thanks, man.
Just half.
Yeah. Get in my belly! Yours looks pretty yum. Is it nice, babe?
Yeah, it's great. Do you want to try some?
Nah.
I popped a bit of lemon on it. Do you want to try the tofu?
Yeah, okay. This is my first time ever trying tofu in my whole life.
Are you serious?
Oh, you just savage shit.
Don't like it.
Do you just put it away?
No, that was whatever fell on me.
Oh, okay.
It was a really weird texture, it tastes like a sponge.
A bit of substance and it just soaks up all the flavouring of the food.
So if you watched my Melbourne vlogs, you would have seen that I tried Halo Top for the first time, and I thought, like I did last time, I'd do a taste test. So I found this in the city at a Coles, and it is Halo Top Sea Salt Caramel, and I'm way more excited about this one than I was about birthday cake. So let's try this out together. So it looks like it's got swirl in it, as you can see. Let's give it a go. Look at that swirl goodness. It's really yummy, but it's really sweet. Like sweeter than the last one. But for 320 calories in a tub, it is what it is. I'm gonna probably enjoy maybe a quarter of this because I've just had a really big dinner. And then I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's Saturday and we just got ready. Well, we just finished getting ready. This is my makeup. If the light wants to adjust. My skin is so dry. I don't know if you guys can see. You can kind of see it on my eyelids. My skin is like crazy dry, but you can't really tell if I'm like back here. So let's just pretend that my skin isn't dry. You can kind of see my outfit in the back, but I'll go show you now. I'm wearing a play suit that I got from, I want to say like Valley Girl or something. Looks like this. I think it's really cute. I'm just wearing jandals with it. But yeah, it looks cute and it covers majority of my heinous pros. Which, look at how bad it looks now, oh my goodness. If you guys don't know how I got this, you need to watch last week's vlog because I explain it there. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like such a humongous spider. It was like one of my wishes is that I saw like a really big spider. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. People are trying to sleep. Oh my gosh, you guys, this place is insane. And then Corpus, which looks delish as well.
They don't have that. They have the SIM card. Can you find about the SIM card number? Sorry?
At the Botanical Gardens and there's somebody like beatboxing. Can you hear them? But anyway, we're about to go to the aquarium, so I'll show you guys that too when we get in. Grilled again. My burger looks so sad because they put the chips on Corpus one, but that's nice. And then Canals, and then of course Hazel's isn't here. She's eating the air tonight. And there's Hazel's actual burger, not the air. Good morning, we're out at breakfast. I forgot to vlog this morning, but the boys have both got big breakfasts, and then Hazel and I got pancakes. Please ignore my Marilyn Monroe pimple friend, but we are out again at our favourite place, in Australia. Grilled again. It's Hazel's birthday today. I'm gonna put you on the camera, Hazel. Happy birthday. Yay! It was her choice, so should we come in here again? For a third time in 3 days. It's okay. And today I'm gonna have chicken. I'm gonna have I actually don't really like any of the chicken burgers, but I'm gonna get this. And I'm gonna have no avocado, no salad, no relish, add cheese. Because I don't have like a simple chicken burger, so yeah. And of course I'm gonna have the chips because they're really yum. And then I'm gonna have the chipotle mayo. I got a chicken burger today. Hazel got a chicken burger. Corky got a chicken burger, and Canal got a beefy burger. Oh yeah. Hey guys, my name's Olivia. Guys are such assholes. We are just about to go to the wrestling, which I haven't talked to you guys about yet, but quite a few weeks ago when we first planned this trip, Corpus saw that there was a New Japan Pro Wrestling event, which is like, imagine WWE, but it's way better. So it's like fake wrestling, but it's really funny, and it's like all these Japanese dudes mostly, and it's like really hard out and it's really funny. So we're going to that tonight. I checked for tickets like last week, and they only had really crappy ones, and then last night I checked like on a whim while we were talking about it, and they had really good seats for like the middle of the range prices. So we bought some tickets, so we're just going to catch an Uber there now. We're going to try get there like half an hour. Oh hello. We're going to try arrive half an hour to an hour before the event begins, so that we can buy merch. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing. This is my outfit. You guys can't really see it. I think I wore this for, well, I did wear this when we were in Melbourne. It's just from LA Fashion. We got really good seats. Look how close.
Yo, this massage is actually like quality. I'm quite proud.
And look at how close we are. It's like right there. You guys can't tell, but we're super close.
Welcome to the Key Centre. Welcome to the Fallout Tour. Welcome to New Japan Pro Wrestling.
Just got back from the wrestling and I'm so tired. We're really hungry, so we're gonna order Uber Eats. But by the way, I got these from Lovisa yesterday. I don't think I've talked about them, but they're just really cute triangle earrings, because triangles are my favorite shape if you guys didn't know that. Anyway, we just got back and it was so much fun. Like for $77 for a ticket, it was like the most amazing experience. And I want to show you the merch that I got, because I did buy some merch because I really like it, so I did. It's $45 per shirt, so I got this shirt. It's one of like the main people, or the main like groups. I got it in a large so that I could wear it to bed. And I also got this, which says no gracias on it, and it's like my favorite guy, Sarada, who's got the mohawk. Good morning guys, it is our last day in Sydney. We've just cleaned up the Airbnb and we're ready to go. I thought I'd just give you one last look at the view. So beautiful. It's probably the worst day that we've had yet, which is good that it's our last day. But we're gonna go back to that cafe that we went to on the second day. It was really yummy, and we're gonna have food there. And then we're gonna quickly go back into the city because Corby wants to exchange a jumper that he bought, a jacket that he bought, and then we're going to go to the airport. So that's our day. Back here again today with the squad. Hey.
Try and practice getting it quieten down. Hello.
And I don't know what I want this morning.
We can easily just wait and I can just get it exchanged.
Mine and Corpus.
I would be giving
and
it.
Hazel's and Canal's.
Not me for once.
Racist. That is all
This
for
is
food.
Canal's amazing. What is it like?
French toast with Ferrero Rocher and berries.
Like this chocolate and like
Can you take it from your angle? Like vlog it from your angle.
it smells delicious.
At the airport, and we just got some pizzas. Excited for that one. This one looks good too, but I got some anger on it, so I'm gonna stick with that one.